So I'm stuck inside a tanning suite, and a customer has walked off with the key to this lock, and they can't open the door, obviously, so they want me to pick this open and replace the lock. This is the Yale version of the Union J, I think it is the 2101. I might need to correct myself on that. But it's a 5-lever mortise deadlock, but it doesn't have any anti-pick. And to open these is a case really of working backwards and forwards and applying some brute force to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to literally go backwards and forwards through this lever pack. I'm going to apply quite a lot of tension to it. As you can hear, the levers are binding and dropping and binding and dropping, and there we go. What's happened is it's just dropped, it's just rotated and stopped, and normally when it's done that, if I back the pick off a little bit, you should hear a click, and then it's open. There we go. Well, that wasn't exactly a hard open, but that's the GJ multi-pick put to good use. Time to change the lock. So I fitted the new lock and it's in full working order. So there we go. That's that job done, and time to hand the keys over and advise them potentially not to leave the keys in the door.